In this video, I'll show you how you can make decals in Roblox. What you first need to do is head over to roblox.com and from in here log into your account. After that, you want to click on Create to get to the Creators Hub. In here, click on Creations, click on Development Items, and from in here you should be able to see decals right here. Now what you want to do is you want to upload an asset, so just click Upload Asset. From in here you can choose a picture. It can be anything, just whatever you want it to be, a name and a description. So let me just quickly upload a picture and put in name and description real quick. Okay, so I just simply uploaded a quick thumbnail that I used for one of my videos. Obviously you're not going to use that as your picture, but I just did that. Put in a random name, random description, and then you want to press upload. Now once you've done this, just let it load for a little bit and you should have it in here. What you can do is you can click on it. It's still loading my thing, so just wait until it's done loading. But in here you want to activate distribute on Creator Store if you want to add it to the Creator Store. So just simply activate this and save changes, and that's how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.